Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can install Oracle SQL. So first, what you want to do is you need to go to your Google Chrome and search up Oracle SQL, and then click on the first link, and then click on this download SQL developer. Alright, and now you need to scroll down, and there is a lot of version, but I'm just going to choose the second one. Click download, and then it will download, and you can just wait for the download to finish. Okay, so it is finished, and you can just open it up. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extract this by right clicking and going to WinRAR and extract it, and this might take a few minutes. You just need to wait. Alright, so I've extracted it, and you can just open and then scroll down until you find this exe application. Double click it, and then this should pop up. Click no. Alright, so it is working. You need to click OK. Now you go to Oracle Connections, click on the plus icon here. Alright, you can name this whatever you want. We're just gonna call it test for now. Test, okay. Username, I'm gonna call it test also, and the password. Alright, and there you go. Now you know how to install Oracle SQL. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.